It's good to be back. Welcome, guys. This is a new season for BUHAY Photographer, and we will start this season by giving away, as a sign of gratitude for everyone who supported us and all the content creators out there who are starting their business, and we are willing to support you as well. What is up, guys? My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives, and in this episode of BUHAY Photographer, the very first episode of our second season, we will be launching something very special that would help our fellow content creators and videographers out there. So for the longest time, we have been sourcing our sound effects and music online. We know the struggle of sourcing those assets, and considering the subscription fee, that would really take a toll on you. So we are very proud to announce that we will be recording sound effects everywhere we go. If there's a project in this specific location, we'll be recording the ambient sound or the setups that we've been doing, and we are willing to share them with you. For starters, we have already recorded rainforest ambience. We recorded the sound effect of a bonfire, and we will launch that in the next couple of weeks. They will be royalty free. We will also attach a link that would direct you to those folders where you can download those materials. That is our way of giving back to you guys for supporting our channel, for supporting the growth of this show, BUHAY Photographer, and we are hoping that this would help you extremely in various contents and the growth of your business as well. So stay tuned for those contents. We will be posting them on a separate playlist in this very same channel. We are hoping for your continuous support, and we'll see you on the next one. Once again, my name is Ken of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. And we will see you on the next episode of BUHAY Photographer.